In today's video, we'll be going over part 2 of non-primitive data types in Java. In this video, we'll be covering one last non-primitive data type, interfaces. At the end of this video, you'll be able to answer the following questions. What is an interface? How and when do I use an interface? How does it differ from a class? And how is it implemented? Let's start with the first question. What is an interface? An interface is a completely abstract class that contains constants and abstract methods, meaning only the method header is shown. Interfaces follow an is-a relationship. For example, if we have a flyer interface and an airplane class, we know that every flyer is not an airplane, but every airplane is a flyer. This is why interfaces cannot be instantiated. So why use an interface? They're used to specify the behaviors of a class, and they can be used to group classes together that have similarities, but implement abstract methods differently. Any class can implement an infinite number of interfaces. Here's the example we used on the last slide. We can see that the airplane class implements the flyer interface, and the flyer interface only contains a constant and an abstract method. The abstract method is coded for in the airplane class to fit its needs. Now let's look at the differences between a class and interface. Classes can be instantiated. They contain methods with implementation, and they use different access specifiers such as private, protected, and public. On the other hand, interfaces cannot be used to create an object. They cannot contain other methods that have been implemented, and they can only use the public access specifier. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave any questions or feedback about this lesson in the comment section below. In the next video, we'll be going over loops and conditionals.